Ever feel like your desk is drowning in a sea of paper, receipts, tax forms, old photos, and mystery mail, and you just can't find a way to digitize it all without losing your mind? If you're ready to finally achieve the paperless office dream and stop wasting hours manually feeding pages into a slow, clunky scanner, the Fujitsu ScanSnap iX2500 is the professional-grade solution that turns a chaotic pile of paper into a neatly organized digital library in seconds. What makes the iX2500 a total game-changer is how it removes every friction point in the scanning process. It features a stunning 4.3-inch intuitive touchscreen that lets you handle almost everything right from the device itself. You can create custom profiles for different tasks, like receipts to QuickBooks, photos to Google Drive, or contracts to email. And with one tap, the scanner knows exactly where to send your documents and how to name them. It even automatically rotates, deskews, and crops your images, so you never have to worry about a crooked scan. This isn't just about speed. It's about reliability and versatility. The one-touch workflow. The large touchscreen is a massive upgrade, allowing you to switch between multiple users and destinations without ever needing to touch your computer. Massive capacity. With a 100-page automatic document feeder ADF, you can drop a whole stack of mixed documents, from tiny business cards to long receipts and even thick booklets, and walk away while it handles the heavy lifting at lightning speed. Smart organization. The included ScanSnap Home software is arguably the best in the business. It uses OCR, optical character recognition, to make every document searchable by keyword, so you can find that one specific receipt from 3 years ago just by typing in the merchant's name. Total connectivity. Whether you prefer a rock-solid USB connection or the freedom of Wi-Fi for scanning directly to the cloud, like Dropbox, Evernote, or OneDrive, this machine handles it all seamlessly. If you are a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone who is tired of the physical clutter taking over your home, this scanner is an investment in your peace of mind. It's fast, incredibly smart, and built to last. If you are ready to reclaim your desk space and want to grab the ScanSnap iX2500 at the absolute best price, click the link below.